Hey guys, just want to share with you guys my buddy Purrs 408 Cleveland powered XE Falcon. Man, this baby's super clean, and it's not just clean, it's badass. Check out the power it makes.
Now that's transferring all of the data.
Yep.
So today a bit colder, 640.
Fucking she done it, eh?
Yeah.
640, mate.
Cold air, colder air, cold. This is where you make power, cold air.
Fuck, mate. Makes fuel.
We better print that one off. She's the gunner.
Yeah, you get
Do you want, I normally always back it up, so I'll do it again.
Alright.
So this is the performance shop that Parrot actually bought this motor from. Also guys, this is genuine pump gas, street and strip motor.
So that was the 7500 then.
Too much.
That's just showing you it'll go there, mate.
Yeah. I don't
Wow,
wanna push
big
it that
cube
much.
Cleveland and big RPMs? Yes please. Man, that's one snappy and responsive motor. Parra's previous car was a replica XY GT powered by a 2V headed 378 stroker Cleveland that actually ran 11.6 at 117 miles per hour on his first and only time out. Badass. Back to the 408. After arriving back at home, Parra had already done a few advances to it, detailing it neatly as you can see, and also upgrading the distributor to an ICE unit, and also swapping out the carb from the 850 that it had to the billet APD 950 carb. So with the 640 horsepower that it's already made, it was time to head off to the rear wheel dyno for a retune and see what that billet APD 950 carb and ICE ignition had to offer. Now that's some serious naturally aspirated pump fuel power right there. So there you go guys, Parra's super clean Falcon XE S-Pak, another badass Cleveland powered Ford.